around the time Trump became the nominee. And look, he very early on allied himself with Putin's policies. I mean, to pull out of NATO, for goodness sakes, right? And he, furthermore, has praised Putin. He seems to have this bizarre attraction to dictators, including Putin. He won't tell us where he owes $650 million. There's a lot of rumors about that. And he has, made it clear that he doesn't particularly care whether Putin and the intelligence services attack American institutions. So, get some water.
Yep.
Thank you. Thanks. Excuse me. I'll be right.
Well, Maroon, you're up.
Seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are available upright in locked position. Window seats are open. All armrests down, and all carry-on items properly stowed. All electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. Wi-Fi will now be unavailable. Thank you.
Oh, poor Barb, that's never happened to us.
Never private plane. You guys eat all the time. Every time I turn around, you guys eat.
Are you calling us?
Seriously, our sandwiches are right by that.
You can toss them at you. Andrew heard a lot of that. The internet is into that. Mine doesn't have this. I told him. Was that the gag was happening? No, so no. Okay. Whoever's phones or recorders needing, they can call us before I ask the question.
And then she'll come back again. Okay?
Okay. We're going to finish nightly news will not. Should I stay here? Not right
I can't
now.
sit on my lap because I want to ask a question.
What?
Everyone else is okay with me, but I'm gonna try and get.
But we can feed out what Paul shoots right now live. Once we land, we can feed that out live.
Am I still rolling?
Yeah, it's up here.
Hang on, am I still rolling?
I guess not.
One thing you know from my doctor's letter is I have seasonal allergies. So, yes. And we went back and looked. I had the same problem last Labor Day. I keep thinking that, I'm going to avoid it. But I want to go back to your question. Yes.
Getting to a yes, but I'm not sure. A yes that Trump is trying to give the election. I mean, Russia's trying to give the election.
Well, I'm not going to jump to conclusions.